Ninja Bear. Time to complete your ninja training. Just pick up a ninja training stick and off we go, Ninja Bear. Time to... Come on, Ninja Bear, focus. Yes, feel the hatred for the one who took your father. Use your emotions as your most powerful weapon. Total concentration will lead you to the path of total redemption. Then you will finally avenge him. Hello, Ninja Bear. Ninja Bear. Still got that itchy foot, huh? Oh, we gotta get you some tough acting, 10 acting. Yes, back to the training. Yes, show the humans the full arsenal. Yes, so they can tell their kind of what they have seen. They see Ninja Bear's power, Ninja Bear's total focus, Ninja Bear's incredible dexterity. They see a bear, they see a ninja. They see... Lady, do you mind? I'm trying to add some audio context so the Ninja Bear can get fired up to avenge his father. Now show them the baton of death. Yes. Now you are ready. Go out into the world and find the hunter who killed your father, so you can avenge his brutal assassination with the... Ninja Bear. Okay, everybody, that's a 10-minute break.